Hey everybody, it's Everett back with you from Hood Time Welding. Today we're going to be working on this fire pit cover. You can see it's got netting on it or screen, but it's all rusted out and beat up. So we got to get that off. Might be a little hard for you to see, but I'm trying to show here. Inside, it's got these bands tacked on, and that's what's holding the netting in place, or the screen in place. So we're going to have to just take the torch and pop all those off, and then we're going to have to replace that. That's all that is on this today. So it's going to be a little bit of fun, just getting the screen back in place. I already have some here, but when I asked the customer, this is a stainless steel, and so I'm thinking it should hold up a little bit better. We'll have to see. But when I told the customer that I needed the circumference, all the way around, he actually sent me the diameter. So I'm not sure if we're going to have enough of this to be able to work it all the way around. So we're going to have to see how that goes. But yeah, for right now, we're going to go ahead. Might be able to pop this door off because there's the door into it. So that at least is out of the way. And we're going to, like I said, get this screen out. So let's get going. So, I know the battery ran out while I was grinding, but I didn't figure you guys were really worried about grinding. So the next step will be getting this wire mesh on. Like I said, I'm not exactly sure yet exactly how I'm going to do it, but that will be the next step. I'm thinking maybe of my metal zip ties, but I'm not sure. We're going to have to see. So let's go ahead and start working on that. So, I know this isn't a new day for you, but as usual, it's a new day for me. Oh, forgot to grind a couple spots here. Oh well. Anyways, so I'm back working on the fire pit cover, and I had a chance to talk with the customer. He is good on us using our stainless steel zip ties, so we're gonna have to go ahead and start doing that. So I just want to get you a quick update because to me it was, it's a new day. I know for you guys it's not, but we'll go ahead and get you put on time lapse while I get working on this. So let's go. everybody, back again, finishing up this project of the grating on the fire pit. So all I got left to do is the top part. I had to wait until I had more material in and that. But one of the things I want to do real quick is just show you. So that's an extra piece of screen I got left over. We're going to do a little demonstration. There's one of those straps. So what I got here is a propane little torch, and we're going to heat it right up. Just trying to test out to see how it's going to react to flame. I think it's going to be good, but let's do a little double check. So I got that right up to the, I mean, this is hotter than any fire should get, but leave it on there for a minute. So you can see there's a little discoloration to the wire, but everything's still intact. It's not burning through or anything like that. So I think we should be all good. So I just wanted to play around for a minute, see how it held up. I think, like I said, I think it'll be fine, but it doesn't hurt to test things out. So yeah, the first thing I'll be doing is I'm actually going to take the pizza box here that I have, and I'm going to draw out the triangles so that way I can just lay this out, cut them out, and then I can fit them in and finish zip tying everything together. But just wanted to do a little test real quick, see how it looked, see what it did, make sure it wasn't going to burn through the straps, which they're stainless steel. They shouldn't. They're rated for like 800 degrees Celsius. I think the propane torch, I'm not actually sure how high it should get, but it gets up there pretty good, and any regular bonfire shouldn't get that bad when you have it in a pit like that. So let's go ahead and get you back on the time lapse, and like I said, we'll get that pattern drawn out, and we will start cutting the pieces out and getting everything finished up. There she is, all finished up. I reinstalled the door. Fits nice and tight still. I was trying to get them somewhat even, but the problem is I got off a little bit up here. but it still looks decent. The seams, you can see, came out pretty decent most of the time. The one seam I wish I would have done a little better job is this one back here. I should have, when I cut it, I should have cut it straight and just went straight up instead of following. And it's puffy a little bit on these two edges. That crap's hard to work on, trying to get it into a dome shape like that. But the other side came out good too. Like I said, these two sides came out good. The door is good. This side I'm just, it's done. So, anyways, let me flip you around here. Anyways, I know this was a little bit longer job and I kept stopping and starting. I'm sorry about that. It's just been a crazy week or two with everything going on. But anyways, if you like my content, big thumbs up. I always appreciate comments, questions, anything like that. And we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.